Hi, my name is Pankaj. I'm from RevoluSun Power. I'm the owner-director of RevoluSun Power. We have been around for more than 9 years in the industry. Our main head office is in Campbellfield, Victoria. So today, we are going to show you the SolaX that we have established in our office, and it is a one-of-the-kind battery setup that we have got. Please have a look. So we have been working with SolaX for over 9 years now. It is the integral part of our product line, and we have been offering SolaX for main reason is their backup support, fantastic support, always provide on-point technical support to our team. Sometimes when we get stuck on field, SolaX even provide on-site tech support, which is one of a kind and not any other company is offering to us at the moment. So SolaX has these two amazing products, and they have now come up with this new battery that you can see here. The main important part of these batteries, they are pretty good with the variable weather of Melbourne. Installation wise, they are very easy to install, easy to stack. Everything 40 kilowatt of the batteries can go into one stack, easy install, and that saves us a lot of time. So as we have been using SolaX for over 9 years now, and what we have noticed that their after sales support is second to none. Most of the time, whenever we have on-site issues, tech support, technical issues, we have got a team associated with RevoluSun Power which actually solves all our issues. Most of the time, if the issue is unresolved, SolaX step up, send their on-site engineers to sort out the issues, and 99.99% of the issues have been resolved then and there. So we are very happy with SolaX technical support as well. So being in industry for over 9 years, what we have realized that SolaX is standing out of the competition mainly because of the product line that they have. R&D for SolaX is such amazing that they keep on coming with the new products, which is actually giving us new options to offer to the clients with the ongoing competition. On top of that, SolaX is also investing a lot of their money in new research and development wing, which actually allows them to bring more products to compete with the constant changing environment in Australia with the solar and battery industry. Yes, if I have to summarize SolaX in one sentence, I would say exceptional technical support, innovative designs, and also reliable company to deal with. Relax, it's SolaX.